Need to block an unwanted contact on your Samsung Galaxy phone? In this latest 2026 guide, you will learn the quickest and easiest way to block calls and messages in just a few taps. Follow along step by step and take control of your privacy without changing any complicated settings today. First of all, unlock your phone, then find the contact app, tap to open it. After the app is open, scroll down to the page. Here you can see all of the contacts saved listed there. Find the specific contact you want to block them. For example, I am block the block. So tap on their name to open it. Then tap on the app info icon. In the next page, look for the more button at the bottom right corner. Click on it. Here you can see the pop-up option appear. Find the block contact option. Click on it. Then confirm by block tab again. And you have successfully blocked a contact on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.